Welcome again, Sudara family. I've got the Bob the Builder outfit on again. Today it's a little bit different. It's a little bit gray skies and a little bit muddier. So this is going to be interesting, but we have some amazing stuff to share with you today. Block A, completely topped off. Almost every single unit inside has been completed, and they're going to begin architectural work inside in June. You can see, but right behind me here, the pavilion is going up. That's very exciting. So you'll have the fitness center, the lounge for observing sunset, and the restaurant right there. Block B has been topped off, and they're beginning to fill in the rooms with the concrete walls. And Block C will be completely finished by the end of this month. They're laying the final roofing down on the whole block right now. So it's all 3 blocks completed before the rainy season really kicks in. So that's going to make a huge difference. You can probably see right now there's a lot of people walking around. Currently right now, there are 400 construction professionals on site today. When we begin in June, the architectural work over here will bring another 100 on. So there'll be 500 people here every day working hard to make sure our home at Sudara and your investment in Sudara looks beautiful and gets done as soon as possible. So let's go take a look at some highlights inside. So you can see here, we're getting the ramp down to the underground parking areas completed here, and it will go directly out to the main entrance there. So things are coming along really, really quickly. Okay, here we are at the Block A rooftop garden. You can see they've built the planters in already, so it's coming along up here. But what I really wanted to show you is how you can see Block B is coming along, right? They're building up each floor just like they did in Block A. So it basically goes Block A, complete, topped off, start closing in. Block B, complete, top off, start closing in. Block C, topping off right now. It's a very measured and stepwise process. And you can, again, just see the things that make a big difference here. Every single wall in every single unit and between every single unit is 20 centimeters of concrete. That's a very big deal. Most developers do not do that. They put gypsum walls between units, which means you can hear your neighbors three doors down. You know, this is about making your place more comfortable in terms of keeping it cool, more energy efficient, but also quiet. All right, let's go have a look around at some other stuff. You can see how the forms inside the pool are really coming together. So you have the main deep part of the pool, and then you have the shallower chill out zones on either side. But what's really cool to see is how far they're coming along with the pavilion. Literally just got started on that last week. I've always felt the pavilion is sort of the heart of the project. So I'm really, really excited to see it coming up. I can't wait. Also from here, what I want you to do is get a look at the mountain views you have around us. All right, everybody. Well, just to wrap up the tour today, a lot is going on in terms of big scale construction. You can see they're finalizing the roof for Block C, which is very, very, very exciting. But in terms of the project in general, we are doing incredibly well. As of today, we're currently 77% sold out of phase 1, which is amazing news. That means every one of you that invested with us already is already making more equity. So thank you for that. Also, hopefully we'll be announcing in the next 2 months exclusive promotional pricing only for Sudara owners for phase 2.